A lot of attention, of course, on Arizona's controversial new law on illegal immigration. But some lawmakers are saying first things first. We need to secure the border and stop the violence. Some members of Congress have just sent a letter to President Obama calling for federal help, asking that the National Guard be deployed to the U.S.-Mexico border. Congressman Bilbray of California is here. He signed that letter along with 14 other Republicans and 2 Democrats. Congressman, thanks for your time. Have you gotten a response from the White House?
No, not yet, Jane, and it's kind of frustrating because I think all of us know that there's a lot of things we should be doing in Washington, and the bipartisan effort just to require E-Verify to be universally applied like it is for Congress is being held up and being held hostage. So it is frustrating that with all the talk about caring about this issue, Washington's not willing and his administration's not willing to join us halfway and say the things we can't agree on, like requiring employers to check over the computer that names and Social Security numbers matches, that is being held hostage for a proposal to provide amnesty, and that's just a non-starter.
The National Guard idea, do you feel like the administration could be likely to do it, particularly amidst this controversy over the Arizona law?
Well, it's happened before where other administrations have been holding back, and then they go, and we use the National Guard to build a fence along San Diego. We use them for observation. We use them for a lot of great reasons. And we were so successful that a lot of the problems shifted over into Arizona. And now Arizona is feeling what California has felt for decades. So, yeah, a lot of this is a response to the fact that Arizona now is the battle zone for the fact that we haven't initiated true immigration control, and we haven't cracked down on the real source of it, and that's the employers across this country, not just along the border.
Those who have been against having the Guard deployed to the border say it really would lead to a militarization of the border and potentially fuel even more violence. What's your response?
My response to that is Mexico has had their troops at the border for 15 years. I didn't hear one of these people raise Cain when Mexico recognized that things were out of control and brought their troops to the border. I didn't hear anybody say that Mexico was militarizing the border. And I have to remind them, the American troops go all over the world to secure borders for other countries. Is it too much to ask that the American communities get the same protection?
Congressman, this wouldn't be, though, a long-term solution. I mean, we saw them deployed for a period of time anyway, and not a whole lot of Guard troops during the Bush administration. What's going to be permanent here?
What is permanent is, understand, the border is a symptom of a bigger problem, and the problem is that you have employers across this country, up and down, that are hiring illegals and inspiring them to risk their lives to come up north. They're driving the fair market value of labor down, and they're exploiting these people. We should be concentrating in Washington on requiring that employers start checking and verifying people are legal. That should be universally done. Everybody in the federal system does it. Every contractor now, because of President Obama, has got to do it. Even Congress uses this system. Let me tell you, if Congress can use a system, it's pretty simple. Why aren't we agreeing to apply that universally? Let's get to the source of illegal immigration. That's illegal employment. You take care of that, you'll see the problem at the borders be reduced substantially more than any single thing we can do. And you don't have to be anti-immigrant. You don't even have to be anti-illegal. You have to be anti-illegal employment. And then you will nip the problem in the bud.
Congressman Bilbray of California, thank you for your time today. And the congressman is in favor of the law that has just been signed in Arizona.